Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. This time I'm going to try and solve two problems in the workshop. I can never find a pencil, and when I find one, it's blunt. Obviously I could sharpen my pencils with a knife, but strangely enough I find what sharpens them the best is a pencil sharpener. I have one in the workshop, but they're tiny little things, and when I try and use them with gloves on, I often drop it, and I lost it down the back of a cabinet for a few months. So I want to knock up something simple to keep my pencils in, but also has a built-in pencil sharpener. As this is just a simple shop project, I'm just going to knock it together out of some scraps of pallet wood, and just glue it and nail it all together. The box is going to have three compartments to it. One for standard pencils, which I use in the shop all the time, one for the thicker carpenter's pencils, which I use to make the shepherd's huts, and one section to hold the pencil sharpener with a box under it to collect all the shavings. I bought a pencil sharpener online for a couple of pounds, and it's just this plastic bit that fits into a barrel. I'm going to discard the barrel bit and use the box to collect the shavings, but first I'm going to use it to get the size, and then drill the same size as the barrel using my step drill. The step drill leaves the hole tapered, so I just need to file it away so that the actual pencil sharpener will fit in. Give it all a quick sand down, then it's time to start work on the door for the shavings bin. Looking through my box of hardware, I came across this little brass butterfly hinge and worked perfectly for holding the door in place. I need a way of opening the door, and in the hardware bin I also found a tiny little brass knob which will work perfectly and actually looks quite nice with the brass hinge. So that the pencil sharpener doesn't turn in the hole or come out, I'm just going to use a little bit of epoxy to hold it in place. After the epoxy had dried, I gave the whole box a coat of Danish oil, and it started to look quite nice for a simple shop project. I mounted it to the tool wall, and then I could put my pencils in place. No more excuses for not being able to find one, and no more excuses for not always being sharp. When the shaving bin gets full, I can just open the little door, take the shop vac, and clean it out. That's it all done. One step closer to being organised. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.